Alright, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace / install your Losi Dogbones. I bought hot racing aluminum ones because it's brushless. See, I actually sheared that off and got a nice freshly painted underside to it. So let's begin. You gotta remove these wheels. It's probably going to be the smaller one. Alright. I think the cat is playing with a little ball over there. Now, how you can do this is you can just remove this, the long screw on the bottom. Yeah, the one that goes right here. And then you just replace your dog bone. Alright, now let me open this up. Okay, so apparently I needed the screwdriver to open it. Oop, hit the tripod, sorry about that, guys. Then you just put your dog bone in there. And of course it wants to fall out. And you guys get the idea, I just meshed it in there. I'd like to show off the carnage to you guys. Just completely bent. Yeah, look at that. This one is a little bit thicker. And my family's being annoying right now.